Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making kids friendly macaroni, so keep watching to see how I made this. First I will add oil in a pan and allow it to heat up. Next I will add my chicken thighs, which I cut into bite sizes and well seasoned with onion powder, garlic powder, seasoning cube and salt to taste. I will stir and allow it to fry. Once that is done, I will scoop it out, fry my hot dog with the same oil and set aside. To cook the macaroni, I will add salt in a boiling water, add macaroni and cook according to the package instruction. Once that is done, I will take it to my sink and sieve it. If you are still watching, that means you love this recipe. Please support me by sharing this video. Thank you. In the same oil, I will add my chopped onions and garlic, parsley and scotch bonnet pepper. I will stir to combine and allow it to fry for 2 minutes. Next, I will add my bell peppers, red, green and yellow bell peppers. I will season with seasoning cubes and salt to taste. I'm going to stir to combine and add my cooked macaroni, the chicken and the hot dogs. I will mix properly to combine and finish it up with spring onions. Stir properly and we are done. Look at that beauty. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.